Hi, and welcome to Cafe Chronicles. I'm Steve.
I'm Dan.
Today we just wanted to kind of say hi and say Merry Christmas. Hope you guys are having a nice holiday season. Dan and I here enjoying the beautiful warmth of the open fire. Yeah. How do you do this? It's burning me. I want to touch Dan, but I can't.
Five.
We wanted to say hi, wanted to say Merry Christmas, and we found this thing on Zoom, so we're like, we got to do this. It's the most Christmassy one we could find, although there's like a pumpkin up here, and there's like autumn and fall leaves and stuff, but hey, you know what? It's okay. Could be worse, right? So
for those of you living in a temperature challenge zone, we want to make sure that you have your winter tires on your motorcycles already.
Put your chains on your motorcycle. We're having a whiskey. We just kind of wanted to say Merry Christmas to you guys. Hope you guys are safe and sound. With this whole COVID stuff, I'll tell you what, 2021 and 2020 has been just a pain. Between COVID lockdowns and difficulty trying to get parts for the CB750, trying to work on the KZ750 in between lockdowns and stuff, friends getting COVID, family getting COVID. It's been tough, right? I think everybody's in the same boat. We're no different. It's been just as difficult for us as anybody else, but hey, we haven't let it stop us. We've let it slow us down a little bit, but it hasn't stopped us. We're still making some videos for you guys. We're doing well with the KZ750. I know it's going to take a little bit. It's taking a little bit longer than we wanted, but we're getting there.
I mean, it looks like a motorcycle. That's
almost. Yeah.
Almost.
It does, I found with the CB750, as soon as you put the tank and the seat on there, the thing looks like a bike right away, And we're at the stage now where we've got so much on there, just popping on the seat and the tank, and the thing will look like a big boy bike, so real quick. But we wanted to say thanks for tuning in, say Merry Christmas to everybody, and just kind of share a drink with you guys. Hope that you're safe and sound, and that everybody's enjoying the season. We'd love to have a little bit of feedback if you guys are enjoying it. We're going to be having announcements for you too in the new year about season 3 and stuff like that. And we've got some cool ideas, but we have a lot of work to do first and finishing up the KZ750, getting it ready for its first ride, getting it ready so that Dan can put on his helmet and his cape, and we'll set up the ramp and he can do his first acrobatic thing, first time.
First backflip.
All right, so thanks a lot for tuning in. We won't take up too much of your time. We just kind of wanted to say Merry Christmas. Stay safe out there. Hope Santa Claus is good to you guys, and I hope Santa Claus brings lots of accessories for cafe racers and parts and helmets and safety stuff for riding, and that you guys have some fun. Don't forget to join us for a whiskey if you guys have one, to our friends across Canada, our cousins down south in the States, and our friends all over the world that are watching. We're delighted that you've been tuning in. Thanks so much for checking out the seasons, for following us on this journey, and we hope you have a nice, safe Christmas with your family, and a nice, safe, healthy 2022 as well. So, Merry Christmas and cheers.
See you next year.